excellent performance, cone crushers are playing an increasingly important role in industries such as mining and quarrying. HYMAK is located in Shenyang, China. Since its establishment in 1999, the company has been focusing on the R&D and manufacturing of all kinds of cone crushers, making it the most professional base of cone crusher. HYMAK is known for its independent R&D capabilities. Now, I'm in the R&D department of HYMAK. Engineers are working on the finalized designs of the rolling bearings of the cone crushers. Each year, HYMAK provides over 100 cone crushers to both the domestic and international market, including S-Series, H-Series multi-cylinder hydrocone crushers, Y-Series single-cylinder hydrocone crushers, and Giradisc crushers, etc. Through considerate after-sales services and feedbacks from clients, the engineers integrate the advice and tips into their new designs. What is it about? I mean, the drawing you're making now. It's about the multi-cylinder hydrocone crusher. This device, the sealing tube, is very important to the prevention of oil leakage. HYMAK owns a lot of patents. It's fair to say that the company has made huge contributions to the crusher industry of China. The chief engineer, Mr. Chen, is a prominent expert in the crusher industry of China. Though over 70, he's been working on cone crushers for over 50 years. Mr. Chen leads the R&D team of HYMAK to work on the improvements of existing cone crushers, and they also never stop to develop the crushers with the whole new principle. S-Series cone crusher is the widely used in the world in history. Stable performance, good yield, and high cost efficiency make it popular over the years. HYMAK made several improvements on this classical model so as to acquire better on-site performance. To ensure the perfect user experience, the after-sales service department of HYMAK offers installation instruction and operating instructions to each user, and they also offer on-site training to workers present. Of course, for greater user convenience, HYMAK has launched SY hydraulic cone crushers, on which the functions such as the tramp release protection are strengthened. The users enjoy greater convenience in adjusting discharge, locking discharge, auto tramp release, and cavity clearance. Y Hydrocone series cone crushers also have a long history. People like this series mainly because of its simple structure and good performance stability. Now, it's become one of the major tendencies that the Y series crusher is used for the second stage of crushing process. HYMAK is highly competitive in the manufacturing of hydrocone crushers and multi-cylinder hydrocone crushers due to its mature technologies and stable performance. Besides, in terms of the manufacturing of large hydraulic cone crushers such as hydrocone and multi-cylinder hydrocone, there are very few suppliers with the capabilities both in design and manufacture, in which HYMAK owns absolute advantages. Now we're in the assembly workshop of HYMAK. HYMAK owns well-trained technical workers for assembly and installation. Each month, at least 10 cone crushers are from here distributing to different places. In Guangdong and Sichuan, HYMAK owns a high percentage of market shares. At this very moment, thousands of HYMAK cone crushers are working. And about 30% of the HYMAK products are exported to other parts of the world. Employees at HYMAK admire and accept the corporate culture of HYMAK, namely to pay great attention to every detail and make it perfect. They value the ultimate performance of the products. Based on the feedback from on-site after-sales services, the employees are willing to accept advice and make improvements. Now what we see is the H-Series cone crusher. In recent years, users have greater recognition to the H-Series, making it now a mainstream choice. The typical features of the H-Series are its high rotation speed and high yield. Fine product percentage is much higher than its other counterparts. For mining users who want finer products, H-Series is undoubtedly their best choice. The H-Series require much more advanced technologies than other cone crushers. The cone of H-Series rotating very fast, HYMAK has its own patents in the prevention of bushing burning, uncontrolled running, and oil leakage. This is the H400 multi-cylinder hydrocone, which was tested in the HYMAK workshop in 2012. Here, each cone crusher needs to be tested with a 4-hour empty load test run on average. GD Series Giradisc Crusher and the cone crushers share the same principle. Crushing movements are realized by eccentrically rotating crushing cone. With liners more horizontal in angle, this kind of cone crusher provides perfect laminated crushing effect. In recent years, many mine owners transferred their interest from SVI to the GD Series crushers. To a large extent, it's because there is less wearing of the liners and less electricity consumption, which ensures lower costs for businesses in the long run. Another advantage of the GD Series is that it can produce evenly cube products, which is another benefit and is resulted in by the laminated crushing. Many users use the GD Series as a reshaper, which is a skillful application. HYMAK is close to first class in the world in cone crushers. Here, you're able to find a variety of cone crushers, and the engineers from the R&D department are dedicated in the designing of all kinds of new products. In my opinion, the ideal approach is to remove electric motor. In fact, we absorb experiences of other industries to apply in cone crushers designing. What is your current designing about? Can you tell us? About lubricating. We've grown gradually into this achievement. In the workshops, the quality inspection department now assumes an increasingly greater role, just to ensure that our users can get the best products. The recognition from our users on our products is the biggest reward for us. As a matter of fact, after-sales services and technologies are inseparably related. In HYMAK, after-sales services are also expected to help optimize products. On-site feedback will be taken into consideration for every detail we make. About future of HYMAK, firstly, we need to do the existing business of cone crushers well. We need to constantly improve its performance, and R&D and technical innovation are always the main tasks for us. We hope that we can deliver something new for the development of cone crushers, making it more environmentally friendly, more energy efficient, and more stable in terms of performance. And we hope HYMAK brand will be the landmark in the development of cone crushers.